Hey everyone! Today we will learn about how to change our virtual background in a Zoom meeting. If you've always wondered how to hide the mess behind you or just don't want your meeting members to see where you are, keep watching for a way to fix that easily. This video will show you how to download a background image and apply it to your virtual background in a Zoom meeting. Let's take a look at the tutorial. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Zoom account and join a meeting. If you're just testing out the background first, you can start a new meeting by clicking on this orange New Meeting button. Select Join with Computer Audio, and now you're ready to try out some backgrounds. Move your cursor to the bottom left of your screen, and right next to the Stop Video button, you will see a small upwards pointing arrow. Click on it and select the Choose Virtual Background option. This will open up the background and filters settings, and here you can see a preview of yourself in the meeting as well as default options that Zoom provides you for the backgrounds. But you can always personalize these backgrounds by downloading an image from Google. So let's try and do that. We will go to our browser and in Google Images, search for Home Office Backgrounds. You can choose any different search term you want and choose a more appropriate picture that you'd like. I really like this one, so I'm going to download this. And now we'll go back to Zoom. And here we will now upload all our images in Zoom. So navigate back to the virtual background settings. And on this page, you will see a small plus sign here. Click on that and click on Add Image. And here you can pick any images that you just downloaded from the internet. Click on Open. And there you go. Your images that you got from Google are now available. And you can choose any of these. And once you're happy with the preview, you can click on the Close button here to finalize it. And there you go. You now know how to change your background for your next Zoom meeting. Happy Zooming!